Today we're going to put together the Gnome Cycle box card. I've prepared my paper piecing. I did have somebody ask online if this file was two-sided, and I mentioned that you could reverse the pieces and apply them to the back as well. So I've done that for this sample. So my gnome is now two-sided. I did not put the tires on yet because it's easier to see the straight edges without them on. So let's start assembling the box for the box card. And there is a straight edge on the bottom of this one to line up this tab to. When you fold it over, you'll see that that is straight. I don't close my box up yet. I always put my tab piece in first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And when I do that, I just open up the file. I line this straight up to the line and then make sure that it's straight. And there it is inside. If I had multiple layers, I would fold him back and put the next layer abutted right up next to it. You can do this the same way in reverse. I folded the tab down. I'm going to put glue on it, and I'm just going to bring this over and glue it to the tab. And then I'm going to close the box. And do it both ways so that you know that it can be folded either way. Now I can put the tires on. The tires go on first. And then the accent for the hubs. Or fenders, I guess these are fenders. And I just line it up to the edge of the box and across the bottom and put that on. I do have a set to go on the back. And this tire will hang over the edge a little. I forgot, I had to just wipe that off. And so you just line it up to the curved side on the inside, and you see that it does hang over just a tad. I wanted to have a straight edge to put the box on. And this will also hang over, and I just line it up here at the bottom and know that it's just going to hang over a little more than a 1/4 inch. And that is the front. Sorry, I just hit my camera, it caused a shake. I'll do the same thing to the back. And again, just line that up to the back edge and to the bottom edge. And there he is. There's your gnome cycle completed. Thank you.